Women bring nothing to the table nowadays and still expect to be treated like a queen and like a princess and like she deserves the world and the man is just supposed to be there and provide everything for her.
You know why? Kasi feeling ng mga babae, especially yung mga bagong generations ngayon, that their beauty alone is enough para makaget over doon sa buhay at magpapakyut na lang sila forever, magpapaganda, magpapasexy. Well, this is Pinoy Extreme and pag-usapan natin ngayon yung naging perspective ng mga makabagong babae ngayon pagdating sa relasyon. Let's do this!
This is Pinoy Extreme.
Napakadaming babae ngayon. Pag tinignan mo yung social media nila, wala kang ibang makikita kundi yung puwet nila, yung bikini pictures nila, yung pagsasayaw nila, yung pagpapakyut nila. Wala nang iba. Yes, maganda sila. No doubt about it. They are very eye-catching. They've mastered the attraction ng opposite sex. They've mastered yung pagpapasexy, pag-attract ng mga kalalakihan, up to the point that men are willing to, do anything what they've asked for. But napaka-superficial nung ganong klaseng skill because hindi nare-realize ng mga tao, lalong-lalo na ng mga babae, that attraction or that kind of attraction that they are actually producing, nagfe-fade yan. Tapos ang nakakatawa pa dito, ginagamit nila yung attraction na yan para pumili ng isang partner that they would go into a long-term relationship with. But hindi nila naisip yung long-term effect ng pagkakaroon ng pagiging beauty face lang. That's it. Wala nang iba. Hindi mo sila makausap ng malalim. Hindi mo sila makikitaan ng wisdom. So on and so forth. Literal. Hanggang kama lang. Hanggang trophy wife lang. Biruin mo, pupunta sila sa long-term partnership na ang kaya lang nilang iambag yung mukha nila at katawan nila. Other than that, wala na. Ampaw na sila kausap. Hindi nga sila marunong magluto. Diba? So, dito napapasok na kukunin nila lahat ng ibang aspeto ng relasyon doon sa partner nila kasi nga wala na silang maiambag. And to think that that's okay dahil nga marami na mga ibang gumagawa nun, social media influencers, so on and so forth, kalat na kalat sa social media, hindi na nila sinubukang i-improve yung sarili nila. Kaya ang ending, karamihan ng mga tao na ganda lang yung ambag nila, or sama na natin lalaki, kapugian lang yung ambag nila, they do not actually know how to maintain a long-lasting relationship. May hangganan ng pagiging maganda or gwapo. May peak yan, and then after that, it would slowly decrease and ultimately die down. And what now? Wala na. Yun na yung dinevelop mo ng pagkatagal-tagal. Tapos, mamamatay lang when it comes ng mid-30s, 40s, 50s. And wala na. Tapos sila rin yung madalas magdrama sa social media saying na, niloko ako, so on and so forth. Kasi nga, yung value nila na very finite, na ibigay na nila sa maling tao. Unlike pag yung character mo can withstand the test of time, hindi ka lang maganda, meron ka pang utak, meron ka pang lalim, may sense ka pa, then yung attraction and yung connection na kaya mong gawin with other people can stay much longer. Well, very few people kasi can recognize or even admit that sexual attractiveness or beauty can only attract you up until such time, and darating na nga yung oras na you will lose interest, magsasawa ka, and novelty will kick in, and marirealize mo how empty that beautiful face or person is. Now, after nila mawala sa isang long-term relationship, babalik ulit sila doon sa phase na kung saan magaling lang sila. Umpisa, attracting people. Again, beauty will always attract a person. But character makes the person stay with you. Kung yung meron ka lang yung ganda mo, good luck with that. You will always be stuck doon sa cycle na kung saan sa umpisa lang lahat masaya, because you do not have the capability to maintain a long-term relationship because wala ka nang ibang alam kundi magpaganda. This is Pinoy Extreme. Have a good day.